and welcome back to our channel. With third-party cookies disappearing, publishers must rethink how they collect and use user data. First-party data is now essential for connecting with your audience and maintaining strong advertiser relationships. Today, we'll introduce 7 first-party data collection methods that align with data protection standards. Let's dive in. First, a quick recap. First-party data is information collected directly from your audience or customers through your own channels. This data is essential for improving website functionality, personalizing content, and enhancing user experience. Unlike third-party cookies, first-party cookies are here to stay, as they are crucial for website performance and always active. First-party data offers several key advantages for publishers. It allows you to gain deep insights into your audience's preferences, behaviors, and interests, which helps you create more relevant and engaging content. This not only enhances user experience, but also increases your ad revenue by offering targeted advertising opportunities. Collecting data with user consent ensures compliance with privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Additionally, first-party data provides a more accurate and privacy-compliant alternative to third-party cookies, giving you a competitive edge with unique data insights to develop exclusive content strategies. Leveraging first-party data is crucial for nurturing existing subscriber relationships and expanding your audience base. By better understanding your audience, you can offer more precise targeting, increasing the value of your advertising space and ensuring higher CPM rates. For advertisers, this data is invaluable for executing targeted ad campaigns aimed at high-value prospects, enhancing ROI. Now, let's explore 7 effective first-party data collection methods for publishers. User registrations are a straightforward way to collect first-party data. Encourage users to sign up by offering personalized content and a seamless user experience. Highlight your unique value proposition to incentivize longer session times and build content around communities. Features like comment functionality can also encourage registrations. Implement single sign-on, or SSO, to streamline user access across platforms. This enhances data security and user experience. Gamification, surveys, polls, and quizzes can increase engagement and registration rates. SSO protocols like OAuth ensure better security and a smoother user journey. Go beyond basic login information by collecting data on user-specific interests. Tailor user experiences and content based on this data. While not all publishers can execute this strategy, those with diverse content can motivate users to share more personal data for a more tailored experience. Event-based tracking reveals users' true preferences through their interactions. Use machine learning to analyze historical behavior and predict future actions. Use this data to deliver customized content across various platforms, enhancing user engagement and loyalty. Surveys and polls are excellent for gathering first-party data, especially if you have a strong relationship with your audience. Build trust and engagement by aligning with audience interests. This straightforward approach can provide valuable insights and improve your data collection strategies. Utilize publisher-provided identifiers, or PPIDs, to share pseudonymized identifiers with programmatic demand platforms. This can boost programmatic auction revenue and help maintain privacy. PPIDs are particularly useful when other identifiers are not present, ensuring continued data collection and revenue generation. Offer extra value products or lead magnets to attract prospects into your marketing funnel. These can include ebooks, templates, webinars, and free trials. Provide something of immediate value in exchange for contact details, enhancing your first-party data collection efforts. As the digital advertising landscape evolves, publishers must adapt by innovating their data collection and engagement strategies. Embracing these first-party data methods will not only ensure compliance with privacy regulations, but also provide a strategic advantage in the marketplace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert tips on website monetization and digital advertising. Bye!